Welcome to the second part of the video. We had an awesome time at Amit's place. A great hospitality and great food. While we were preparing to doze off that night, Amit shared his plan for the next day. Hydropower electricity generated at home and beautiful view in his plantation. And no doubt, we were amazed.
I got time, it's clear to see.
Amit was showing us his hydroelectric power setup. It was a goosebump moment for us. The natural resources is utilized to generate the power in this part of India. Stream of fresh water from the hilltop was diverted towards this pump shed to run the turbine with high pressure, aka gravitational force. It reminded us of Shah Rukh Khan's movie Swades, where an old lady says, Bijli. Later, we went on to trek. It was almost 45 minutes of walk, and we were not aware that we had to cross around 2 hills to reach the peak. We were almost tired. We took some rest and moved on. Crossing the bush was a bit tough. We had so much of itchy plants. We had to scratch our hands and legs and all. It was a different experience altogether. We were almost tired as we all reached the top. We saw a breathtaking view of Sharavati Reservoir. It was all worth. Wow. Beautiful, man. The most important part was there were no plastic lying around, there were no tourists, there was no noise. It's all us and the nature. Such a beautiful place to be. We could also witness Linganmakki Dam at the far end of the reservoir. ಅದು ಹೊನ್ನೆಮರಡು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಸೂಪರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾರು ಮಂಡೆ ತೆಗಿತ ಮಾರ. Come on. We spent our time on top of the hill. We played. We had a very good time. It was time to head back to home and then wash our bikes and get ready to ride back to Bangalore.